Hey, welcome back to Gas Mileage. I'm your host, Eric, and in this video, we are going to be cleaning the Hellcat. Now, originally, we thought we were going to be using an electric pressure washer with our foam cannon, but unfortunately, the electric pressure washer did not hold up, and so we had to end up washing the Hellcat by hand. But either way, the Hellcat got super clean, and I want you to enjoy this video and let me know what you think in the comments. The life of driving a Hellcat, always low fuel. Get to it. People always be staring at you. Unfortunately, the electric pressure washer wasn't working, so we have to hand wash this. Got the wheels all cleaned up. Now it's time to clean up the body. It's filthy. So we just finished cleaning the Hellcat. It took probably close to 3 hours. And unfortunately the electric power washer crapped out on us, so we weren't able to use the foam cannon. So still stay tuned for that. But we hand washed her and she is shining, my goodness. She's looking so good. It took way longer than I anticipated, but I'm very happy with the outcome. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. You see reflection in this sucker now. Engine bay could have used a detailing, but ain't nobody got time for that. Now she's all clean. We'll do a little cold start. Can't be the only one who tries to drive without using their brakes after they clean their car, so they don't get brake dust on their wheels. You think it's cooler?
Yes.
And why do we think that?
This stripe down to the carbon fiber, stripe down the middle.
Adds 5 horsepower.
Yeah.